Friends, today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day of our country. In today, in today's speech by Prime Minister of Mr. Modi, where he has reiterated that 100 lakh crores fund for infrastructure will be invested in India. Do you know, in 2019, same declaration was made by the Prime Minister of India from the Red Fort on Independence Day. In today's speech, nothing is special, nothing is you can say a trust building or anything which can expect from the future. Just repeating his words that we have our startup as are progressing like that. Do you know 90% of startups have failed? Indian economy in doldrum. Indian politics is in doldrum. Every day, Mr. Modi is trying to make this country as a communal state. Due to coming Uttar Pradesh election, which is slated to be held in February, but term of Uttar Pradesh Assembly is up to 15th May, so they will make themselves how it will be beneficial in February or in April May. So by his face, by his face, it's clear cut that he is very much scared about Uttar Pradesh election. A Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, who is very much scared, might be due to he couldn't recover from loss of West Bengal 3 months back. But he is the Prime Minister of India, and he has to boost the morale of country, which is in still doldrum, and even our fiscal deficit is around 9 to 10%. Our jobs are shrinking. Just he is boasting that we have made a world's biggest vaccine program like that. Nothing. Even India is on the bank of third wave of corona. These are his speeches, which is nothing new. Just to popularize his speech, just to attract from his vocal speech. Nothing. Even for the last 9 months, farmers are protesting, but government is just away from their problems. Even in Uttar Pradesh, BJP's MLAs are not in a position to enter in Western UP in their homelands. Yesterday in Sisoli, there was one MLA was beaten up, and there was a FIR lodged against unidentified men. So this is the reality of India. Mr. Modi is nothing, just a puppet in the hands of RSS, whose main agenda is to Hitler's agenda to make entire country a food-starved country, unemployed country, uneducated country, no hope from the future. Even only a people can understand the progress is just if they are living, they are alive. This is their progress. Nothing. This is Hitler type mentality of Mr. Modi and his RSS. Entire country it will teach him a biggest lesson in Uttar Pradesh election. Just after 6 months, you will see what will his face. If you like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.